Hey guys, in this video I'll talk about the best free cleaner app for your Android mobile device. If you find this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so I've tried a few different cleaner apps on my Android device, but the one I like the most is called CC Cleaner. You can get it from your Play Store. So what you want to do is open up Play Store, go to search, type in CC Cleaner. Here it is here with over 100 million downloads and with 2 million reviews. So I'm going to go ahead, download and install this. Alright, so now once you've downloaded and installed it, go ahead and click on open. And you want to click on get started. Then from here, your phone can quickly fill up with unnecessary data. So go ahead and click on next. Click next again. Now you've got a choice to pay yearly or monthly, but if you just want to use the free version, go ahead and click on the cross at the top left hand corner of the screen here. They might give you another deal to try and convince you to sign up, so just click on the X icon again. And now to clean your phone, simply click on where it says start here, and they'll guide you through your first cleanup. So go ahead and click on start here. Your cleanup is just 2 steps away, so we need to give some access here. So go ahead and click onto that. So free permissions missing, all files, usage access and notifications. So what we need to do is click onto go to settings, click on enable that, go to settings again, enable that, and then allow permissions for notifications. So allow. Now once you're done, you can go here and scan for junk. So go ahead and click on scan for junk files. So as it says there, all right, now we can go ahead and click on see results. And then from here, go ahead and click on finish cleaning.